Okay, let's go.
Hi, thanks for stopping by and checking out this unboxing video of my new bike for 2026 onwards. As you can see, I've decided on the Propain. This is a Spindrift CF5, CF being carbon fibre. This is a German brand. I wanted a bike that was a super enduro, so after a lot of searching, I've settled on the Spindrift. And we'll go through the reasons why, and we'll cut the box open. Instead of just choosing a brand, this bike choice was more about the geometry. The first two important factors I was looking for when I was buying a new bike is I wanted a nice slack head angle and a long fork travel. So this Spindrift is a super enduro, 180mm at the front and 180 at the back. Head angle of 63.5 degrees, perfect for the bike parks, but can also be pedalled back uphill. While I was doing some research into the Propain Spindrift, I came across pro rider Remy Metier on YouTube, and the things he can do on this bike are absolutely unbelievable. So it just showed me how bomb-proof this bike actually is and what it's actually capable of. This is a bike of firsts for me. First time with a carbon fibre frame, first time mullet setup, first time 180mm travel, first time super slack head angle, first time coil shock, so I'm really looking forward to it. This bike is super capable of attacking the downhills at the bike parks, large drops and steep descents, so that's why I went for the Propain. So the box is open, let's get into it. First thing out of the box is the front wheel. As you can see, I've upgraded the rims to DT Swiss 1700 EX. I've upgraded tyres to Schwalbe Magic Mary Gravity, ultra soft on the front, 29 by 2.5, and it's a Schwalbe Albert at the rear, 27.5 by 2.5 soft compound. I've also upgraded the brakes. These are SRAM code R, same as my e-bike. Here's the box of instructions, the saddle, and the tubeless milk, various other bits and pieces. Read the manual first. Out with the packaging so we can access the frame. So the frame is out of the box. Last up is the rear wheel, which is in a bag. As you can see, I've gone for matte black. This is raw matte. Now I've just cut the protection off just to show you the frame. I think the matte black and the orange shock look incredible. The Fox 38 forks up front with the Kashima coating looks absolutely superb. However, I will be popping the protection back on because it's going to the local bike shop to be Invisi framed. So the frame is going to get wrapped and protected along with the swing arm, and I'm also going to get the forks done as well. So I'll pop the protection back on, get it over to the shop. This is the Mullet rear wheel for the bike. It's Schwalbe Albert Gravity 27.5 by 2.5. Again, I've upgraded the rims to DT Swiss EX 1700. This one's been inflated. The front is flat. I don't know if that's got the sealant in. I'm not even sure if the rear's got the sealant in, but I'll check it out and fill it if needed. Upgraded SRAM code brakes, and the drivetrain is also SRAM. Massive granny ring, help pedalling uphill. Let me know your thoughts on the matte black and the dark grey decals. The frame also has a handy tool storage pocket there as well. Fox 38 Grip X2 Kashima coating. The shock is a Fox DH X2, 350 pound coil, suited for my rider weight. The frame size is a medium. I've got some Bergtech pedals to go on, and a Fox specific extra long front mudguard. Saddle will be popped on, and I'll fit the bars when I get the bike back from the local bike shop. So I hope you like this unboxing and the first glimpse of the incredible Propain Spindrift 5, the CF carbon fibre bike. I think it looks incredible in the matte black. I'll assemble the bike once I get it back from the bike shop after having its Invisi frame. I'll do a video on that, so check that one out. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel, Adrenaline Pursuit, and hopefully you'll catch me on the next one.
Okay, let's go.